Hi friends, in this episode we're going to talk about what the next steps are after the immigrant fiance has the approval with the fiance visa to be able to enter the United States. Friends, welcome to Green Card Guys TV. I'm your host, John Ting. We practice law in all 50 states of America, from the East Coast to the West Coast, from the Eastern Hemisphere to the Western Hemisphere. We are here to help you and solve your immigration problems. Now, step number one, after you get approval, the wonderful news that you've been approved for a fiance visa issued to you in your passport, you're going to receive the sealed packet. Now, we'll talk more about that in a second. But specifically right after you're approved, we ask our clients, give us everything you can even before that happens, right? Because we want to be prepared with our law firm to help you as soon as you land in America. And the reason that is because once you enter the United States, we know most people are going to be busy visiting family members, maybe just enjoying touring the United States in general. So that happens. So we recommend that our team has forms for the next step after you get married, so that they can mail that to USCIS. Okay, but I know there's some scenarios that might not be able to happen. But that's what we recommend. That's part of our timeline, step by step. All right. So in number two, in terms of sealed packet, once you pick that up, it's a different location depending on your country. And once you pick that up, do not open it. It's sealed for a reason. Okay. You're supposed to bring that sealed packet to when you land in the U.S. airport, to the Customs Border Protection Officer, CBP. Some people just call it Customs Officer. So do not open it, okay? Now that you've entered the United States, here's a step that's very important that you might as well get taken care of. I would think that all 50 states of America have some kind of waiting period. I think only in Nevada you don't have a waiting period, but in Texas it's a 72-hour waiting period after you apply for your marriage license. And then after 72 hours, then step number two is that you can actually get married. Okay, so in Texas, you have to wait 72 hours. So because there's a 3-day delay waiting period, you might as well apply for the marriage license as soon as the immigrant fiance enters the United States, or is in Texas, back at home, the new home. I'm not saying that you have to get married that week. There's no requirement there's only a 90-day requirement after entry, within 90 days of entry into the United States. It's one step that people think, they can delay, because I've heard of people delaying till the last week, and that's just cutting, especially with the pandemic, you don't know if certain offices are closed. So the marriage license, by the way, you apply for that at the county level. Okay, it's not a city office, it's a county office. So you want to look that up. The other thing is that you can't apply for this in advance before your fiance enters the U.S. So you have to apply together, because it does require both signatures on the application. And then part of our process, or at least our law firm, is that once we receive that documentation, we want everything ready to go before the immigrant fiance enters the United States. So really the only thing we should be waiting on is the marriage certificate. And even after you get married, let's say you have a friend who has a license to be what we call officiant, then you still have to record that to the county. So it does take a little bit more extra time. So the recording or filing it to the county office is very important. And usually if you ask them to mail it to you, it takes a couple extra days. So that's another reason why you need to apply for the license sooner than later. Now, friends, our business manager said that we can offer free 15 minutes for you as a preliminary consultation, a preliminary discussion to see if we can guide you to a certain step. We know many of y'all just have that one question or two questions, and I understand that. So we want to offer that with you, only because you've been watching us on YouTube or the Facebook page or group. We greatly appreciate that. And this is what you do. We highly recommend you to call or text us. The number is scrolling down below, and our CARES team will call you within 24 hours on a business day, weekday. Of course, if you have a US number. Otherwise, if you're international abroad, you can message us on WhatsApp, okay, at this number. But to do that, if you call in or text us, you have to enter this secret code or tell us this code. The secret code is Green Card Guys. It really lets us know, verify that you've been watching us on the show, right? Because we do get a lot of inquiries for free consultation, but we're only allowing it special just for you if you mention this code. All right, friends, we thank you very much. Please share our video with your friends and family so that maybe we can solve their immigration problem as well. Until next time, please continue wearing a mask. Bye-bye now.